Groupby with Boolean condition true in one of the columns in Pandas. This is my data frame which I want to use Groupby. I want to use Groupby with Boolean 1 and Boolean 2 column. The Groupby continues from false to unless it finds true and it checks in both column and then next false to true again. If there is no more true, then it can ignore rest of the false values corresponding to it, or it can be there. I want to achieve similar to this. This is one group. This is another one. And this is another one.
My idea is check falses in both columns before at least one true column. Detail.